One concept to understand about mixed numbers is that they can be viewed as addition. So 3 and 2 over 5 is 3 plus 2 over 5. When adding and subtracting mixed numbers, which have a whole number and a fraction, such as 3 and 2 over 5, there are three different types of problems you may encounter. The first is where the fractions part of each of the numbers are like fractions. That is, they have the same number in the denominators, the bottom part of the fraction. The second is where the fractions part of each of the numbers are unlike fractions. That is where they have different numbers in the denominators. And the third is where one of the numbers in the addition or subtraction is just a whole number. For the first type of problem, with the like fractions, the process is pretty simple. Here we have 3 and 2 over 5 plus 1 and 1 over 5. All we do here is add the whole numbers together, 3 plus 1, which equals 4, and then as you would normally do with like fractions, add the numerators together, 2 plus 1, which gives us 3, and keep the denominator of 5. So we have 4 and 3 over 5. As a note, if the problem were 3 and 2 over 5 plus 1 and 4 over 5, our answer would be 4 and 6 over 5, which is an improper fraction. We would then convert the improper fraction to a proper fraction, and have written out that process here. 6 over 5 becomes 5 over 5 plus 1 over 5. 5 over 5 is equal to 1, which we add to the other whole number of 4, and the final answer is 5 and 1 over 5. If we were subtracting, 3 and 2 over 5 minus 1 and 1 over 5. Pretty much the same here. Subtract the whole numbers, 3 minus 1 equals 2, then subtract the numerators, 2 minus 1 is 1, and keep the denominator of 5. So we have 2 and 1 over 5 as the final answer. If we were subtracting, say, 3 and 2 over 5 minus 1 and 4 over 5, then it does require a little more work. In this problem, the numerator in the second fraction is greater than the numerator in the first fraction, as 4 is greater than 2. So we need to borrow from the 3, which gives us 2 plus 1 plus 2 over 5, which we can write as 2 plus 5 over 5 plus 2 over 5, which is 2 and 7 over 5. And now we can do the subtraction. 2 and 7 over 5 minus 1 and 4 over 5. Subtract the whole numbers, 2 minus 1 is 1, subtract the numerators of the fractions, 7 minus 4 is 3, and keep the same denominator of 5. So the final answer is 1 and 3 over 5. For the second type of problem, where the denominators are different, such as 6 and 1 over 2, plus 2 and 2 over 3, we have to first convert the denominators to the same number. From inspection, we know that 6 is a common multiple of both 2 and 3, so we can convert the denominators to 6. And I've written out that process on the screen. Keep in mind that 1 over 2 is the same value as 3 over 6, and 2 over 3 is the same value as 4 over 6. So there has been no change in the value in this problem. Now we go through the normal process. Add the whole numbers, 6 plus 2 equals 8, and then add the numerators in the fractions, 3 plus 4 equals 7, and keep the same denominator of 6. And the answer is 8 and 7 over 6. As in the earlier problem, we have an improper fraction, so we go through the process of making that a proper fraction. And I've written this out on the screen, and we end up with a final answer of 9 and 1 over 6. And the last problem is where one of the numbers in the addition or subtraction is just a whole number. For example, 5 and 2 over 7 plus 4. As I said earlier in the video, mixed numbers can be viewed as addition. So in this problem, we have 5 plus 2 over 7 plus 4. We can add the 5 and 4, which is 9, plus 2 over 7, and our final answer is 9 and 2 over 7. And the same thing goes for subtraction. So say 5 and 2 over 7 minus 4. We can write this out as 5 plus 2 over 7 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1, plus 2 over 7, which gives us a final answer of 1 and 2 over 7. If you're subtracting a mixed number from a whole number, such as 4 minus 2 and 1 over 3, we would write that as 4 minus the quantity 2 plus 1 over 3, and distribute the minus sign to get 4 minus 2 minus 1 over 3, which 4 minus 2 is 2, and that gives us 2 minus 1 over 3. From here we can borrow from the 2 to get 1 plus 1 minus 1 over 3. We can convert the 1 to 3 over 3, which gives us 1 plus 3 over 3 minus 1 over 3, and this gives us a final answer of 1 and 2 over 3. Alright my friends, hopefully you got something out of this video. I do have more videos right there that you might have an interest in. Till next time, I am out of here.